Hi everyone, welcome to the brand new series of Node.js. If you are just getting started with web development and understand how Node.js becomes so popular, so this video is for you. And today we are going to discuss about the history of Node.js in this video. How Node.js becomes so popular and why it was created. So all the details you want to know about in this video. So let's begin. Now you can see the beginning. 2009. In 2009, Randall actually built Node.js. He used Google's V8 engine, the same engine used inside Chrome, and combined it with an event loop to handle multiple requests simultaneously. So initially, Node.js only worked on Linux and Mac OS, but that was enough to get developers really excited. So it was something new. JavaScript could now run on server side too. Then came 2010, a very important year. That's when NPM, the Node Package Manager, was launched. NPM made it super easy for developers to share code, use libraries, and speed up their work. So this is one of the main reasons Node.js grew so fast. Because NPM started a hub open source community. So today NPM is actually the largest software package manager ecosystem in the world. Now in 2011, Node.js finally got Windows support. Before that, it only worked on Linux and Mac OS. So once Windows users could install Node.js to boom. So this community grew massively. So suddenly developers were started building projects with it. So the Windows support became so good for Node.js. So now in 2012, Randall stepped away. Now in 2012, Randall decided to stay away from this project. He passed the leadership to ESEC and the open source community. Even though Randall moved on, Node.js didn't show down. In fact, the community made it even stronger. When Randall moved on, so Node.js did not slow down. The community made it more stronger, even stronger. So now in 2014, something interesting happened. Some developers were unhappy with how slow Node.js was updating, so they created a new project called io.js. So now in the market there are two projects, Node.js and io.js, two different. So io.js has the same base as Node.js, but with faster updates and more open decision making. So basically it was like Node.js version 2, so made by the community. So in 2015, the remerger. After a while, both sides realized that they were better with together. So in 2015, Node.js and io.js merged back into the one project. So that's when the Node.js Foundation was formed and the version 4.2 was released. So they also started a new ecosystem called LTS, long term support, which means stable, reliable release for the developers. So this is the 2015 remerger procedure. So from 2016 to 2019, between lots of happened. So in 2016, there was the famous left pad incident where one small package being removed broken thousands of apps. So that shows how dependent everyone had become on npm node package manager. So but Node.js has also got major upgrades like async await support, http2, and better performance overall. By 2019, the OpenJS Foundation was formed to the Node.js and the JavaScript projects together. So recent years update like 20-22%. So now coming to the recent years, Node.js become more stable and powerful than ever, and we have got works threads, diagnose tools, and yes, module support, built-in support. So major companies like Netflix, Uber, PayPal, and LinkedIn use Node.js for their apps and fast, reliable, and consistently improving. So no doubt Node.js has become the heart of modern web development. Now in 2018, Riandel gave a talk about 10 regrets with Node.js. He mentioned some technical things like design of the modern system, modular system, and some missing features. But honestly, even with those mistakes, Node.js completely changed the web development, and it has inspired so many new technologies like Dano, Bun, and many more. So that's the amazing journey of Node.js from a small project from 2009 to one of the most used backend technology in the world today. So in the next video, we are looking to Node.js actually work, how Node.js actually work, and the architecture of Node.js, and understanding the event loop architecture in detail. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow, and hit the bell icon so that you can't miss any video. And thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.